Life is just always mysterious.
Hey guys! Oh, my hair is wild. It hasn't been not wild since I got here. I just made it to the beach. I'm about to go see my friend Emma. And we're gonna take pictures. I'm beachy boy. But I literally took the wrong bus 2 times, not once, twice. And so it took me a little longer to get here. But it's so dang pretty. It's so pretty. I'm gonna flip you around and show you. Look at this. Look how blue. Wow. I'm sure y'all will be seeing the pictures that are to come. Yeah, it's just so pretty here. I'm so glad I extended my stay. I'm so happy. Look at it. I think I'm focused. I feel like this camera overexposes, but that's my opinion. Yeah. Say hello. Say hi first.